Hello everyone, have a nice day. Welcome to my Top 1 channel. I'm going to continue to show you one way today. Sharpening knife is very useful. You can do it at home with the tools you have. You just have to watch this video and do it. We've got a useful tool in the kitchen. It will help you save money and save time. I hope this tool will be helpful for you. Take time to understand each step. If you're having trouble with anything, let me know in the comments, and I'll help you. What country are you from? Leave me a comment. It's great that I can talk to people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click the sign up button. I'm glad to see your support. Cut this piece of sandpaper to fit the size of a CD. After cutting it, take the unused CD and stick sandpaper in that CD. After gluing, we shouldn't use our hands to directly grind. And let's take the nail. Fix the CD into the drill for easier grinding. Avoid hand fatigue. After fixing that nail in the drill, you can choose a level of gentle rotation like this. Then use the drawstring. Fix at rotary level for machine for drill bit. Then we put some water in. This will increase the grinding efficiency more. Start grinding from the base of the knife. Move slightly towards the tip of the knife. Keep your hand steady. Turn the knife over to the other side. Remember not to use too much force, but gentle will be more effective. Let's put some toothpaste on the grinding surface. Can increase the sharpness of the knives. Add toothpaste, it will perfect the knife more effectively. Continue grinding so with two sides. After grinding finished with grinder, let's clean up. Blade with a little water and a tissue. To wipe away the dirt on the blade. A little more baking soda. A little water for further polishing. It's our knife. Use your toothbrush, brushing teeth. Give your hand to the knife. Thank you for watching all the videos. Which idea do you like? Leave your comments under the comment section. If you like this idea, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.